Hey again guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop, here to just talk to you about something pretty exciting. We've got a few exclusives coming up here, but first of all, we've gone into card cutting, which is so cool. I was not happy with the standard cards that were being cut, so we decided to manufacture them ourselves. Anything from a normal stripper deck to belly strippers to negative strippers, and different types of negative strippers, by the way, of multiple cards. Many different strippers, in fact, to the point that if you want a particular deck cut or made, let me know and I will be able to manufacture that for you. But we'll just talk about these normal wedge strippers for the time being. These are the normal stripper decks that you get, the wizard decks. However, they're made by us here. The first one is the stripper deck. That's the normal stripper deck, which, if you're looking at this video, you'll see the tolerances on them, that when you turn, when the card is reversed and it's in there, you won't be able to see on camera, but I took a real close-up shot and you'll actually see that the cards are extremely well made. What I've also done is made a fine stripper. Now this is extremely fine work that's been put in. It would be very hard to see. This is all pretty much done by touch. So for the guys that do know what I'm on about with extremely bad stripper decks, you'll see that the fine work is just unbelievable and takes a little bit of practice to go in. And again, you'll see on the picture that the very fine strip, and how fine it actually is in detail. And I'll just give you a quick run through. A card's taken out, is put back into the deck. The card is cut, shuffled into the deck. And what was the name of the playing card? It was the Jack of Diamonds. And that's just, you can actually cut that anywhere in the deck. It doesn't matter where, it doesn't matter how many times it gets lost. You will be able to actually find the card, the aces, the jack. You can even separate reds and blacks with this deck. It's very easy to use. So basic. When you order and you purchase these decks, we will give you a video teaching you 2 tricks on how to use them, and there are other avenues and other products that you can purchase separate that will show you how to use this to the best of your ability. These decks are seriously well made. I take great pride, and they take me a little bit of time to actually manufacture them, and I think that when you've actually got them in your hand, you'll understand the quality and the workmanship that goes into actually producing such a bespoke deck. I'm very proud of what we've done and what we are continuing to do here at Global Magic Shop. Any playing card, orbits, memento moris, any kind of playing card that you want, we can actually cut to your specifications. So please let us know. That's a quick video, and hope to speak to you soon. Thanks, bye.